Happy Republic Day to all. Why do we celebrate Republic Day? We all know that India got independent on 15th August 1947. A new government led by the Indians took over. But how could Indians have ensured that future governments don't limit their rights and freedoms? By forming a democratic republic and a constitution. A constitution defines the power of the government and the rights and freedoms of the citizens. Today, on 26th of January 1950, our constitution came into force and India became a democratic republic. That's why we celebrate this day as Republic Day. But this can only survive if it has well-educated, vigilant citizens who respect the ideals of our constitution. How do we celebrate Republic Day? The main attractions of the day is the Republic Day parade held in the national capital, New Delhi, which begins at Rajpath and ends at India Gate, performed before the President of India. As a tribute to India, its unity in diversity and rich cultural heritage. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where the mind is led forward by thee, into ever-widening thought and action, into the heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake. With these lines of Rabindranath Tagore, I wish you all a happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.